Farewell Day. Ang araw na ito ay hindi lamang, ladies and gentlemen, let us begin the day by welcoming the people who made this day even more meaningful. Music please.
Ating salubungin ang mga magulang ng bride at groom.
Mr. Ricardo F. Galanilla and Mrs. Diana G. Galanilla.
Let's go!
Tama, ikot pa naman.
Next is Mr. Jose Esperanza and the Mrs. Corazon B. Esperanza. Next up, our principal sponsors.
Mr. Ray F. Fradas and Mrs. Josephine A. Fradas.
Next up, Mr. Rector Giro Paniana and Mrs. Loretta Eve Loreno.
Sana po pero tuloy pa rin lalo kang kumikinang sa gitna ng dilim sa bawat pinag mo.
Next is Mr. Joseph A. Peralta and Mrs. Marivic F. Cavalles.
Next up, Mr. Wilfredo L. Lagata and Mrs. Helen B. Brando.
Mr. Darlito Jesus Brenya and Mrs. Angracia Saman at Salamat and Mrs. Liz P. Salamat.
Dito sa
Let's go tayo!
tunog na
Next up, Mr. Sergio Julio and Mrs. Ermelita B. Julio. Next up, the best man and maid of honor.
Mr. Jose P. Peralta and Miss Loren R. Frances.
Next up, the second Paris sponsor, Miss Joylyn G. Allen and the
That is Miss Shekina Fradas and Mr. James P. Mateo. Sasayaw po tayo!
Next up, Miss Daisy P. Battle and Mr. J.R. P. Mateo. And
And our team,
Shiny L. Prades,
Sofia F. Chudasho
Rika Justiada,
and Shinalyn P. Cuevas.